What's up, YouTube? Wildcat RC here. We've got a new boat. There's an AquaCraft Wildcat. Runs on an 1800 kV brushless motor. 3S pack, 50 amp ESC. It's got a tactic setup on the radio. So I'm going to try to get out here after a bit. We got some things that we need to do oh man, come on. Some things that we got to do today, but I'm going to try to get out to the pond and see if we can run it. It's a pretty cool looking boat. It's a 29 inch. Should be pretty fun. Till next time, Wildcat RC, and we're signing out.